I'm just going to quickly show you how to make a button in Canvas. So here is a page, in an empty page in my course, and I'm just going to go to Edit. And a button is basically just an image with a link on it. So if you go to the little image icon up here and you hit the arrow, you can upload an image from your computer, or you can use a course image. That's an image that's already been uploaded to your course. So I'm just going to select this one, and I'm going to select it, and I'm going to manually resize it. Buttons are usually quite small, about 140, 150, as long as you can still read if there's words on it. And with it still selected, I'm going to go to this little link symbol, and you can link it to an external site, or you can link it to a place within your course. So for example, an assignment, a quiz, another page. In this case, I'm going to choose my syllabus page. I'm just going to save it, and as you hover over it, you can see it's now active. You click on it and it takes you to the other page in the course, and that's how you make a button.